Ever wondered how Selenium can supercharge your Python programming? Welcome to the world of automation, where Selenium and Python together can create wonders. This video will take you on a journey through the steps of using Selenium with Python. Step 1. Installation. The journey begins by installing Selenium. Use the pip install command to do so. Type in your terminal, pip install Selenium. Make sure Python is already installed and updated to the latest version. If not, visit the official Python website to download and install it. Step 2. WebDriver. After installing Selenium, download the WebDriver. The WebDriver acts as a link between your program and the browser of your choice. You can find the WebDriver for browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari on their respective official websites. Step 3. Importing the WebDriver. Once the WebDriver is downloaded, import it into your Python script. For example, if you're using Chrome, the command would be from Selenium import WebDriver. Step 4. Launching the browser. Now it's time to launch the browser using Python. Use the command driver equals webdriver.chrome executable path equals path to your WebDriver. Replace path to your WebDriver with the actual path where your WebDriver is located. Step 5. Opening a web page. To open a web page, use the get method like so driver.get replace with the URL of the web page you want to open. Step 6. Locating HTML elements. Selenium can find HTML elements using methods like find element by name, find element by ID, and find element by XPath. For instance, to find a search box on a page, you might use search box equals driver.findElementByNameQ. by name Q. Step 7. Performing actions on elements. After locating an element, Selenium can perform various actions like clicking, inputting text, and more. For example, to input text into the search box found in the previous step, use searchbox.sendKeys Python. Step 8. Closing the browser. After performing all actions, close the browser using the quit method. For instance, driver.quit. So to summarize, the process of using Selenium with Python involves installing Selenium, downloading and importing the WebDriver, launching the browser, opening a web page, locating HTML elements, performing actions on them, and finally closing the browser. Remember, the power of Selenium with Python lies in its ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more complex tasks. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and learn. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring the wonders of automation with Selenium and Python. Happy coding!